So now, next topic is E2 reaction. What is the mechanism and what are the evidences which supports the mechanism is right? Okay. So we will take one example first for our understanding. So let us take suppose this is the example. Okay. This may reacting with suppose an AOEP sodium ethoxide as a base in ethanol. In ethanol, what will happen? This Br, this alpha carbon, and this beta carbon will react, and there is a formation of alkene diamonds. Right? This is a product. This is the simple reaction. When you go for mechanism, we know E2 is a single step reaction and rate is dependent on concentration of two reactants. So we can write rate is equal to concentration of this CH2Br and concentration of this base. Okay. Rate is dependent on concentration of this reactant 1 and concentration of the second base. There are two concentration, therefore this E2 is given. Yes, it's a biomolecular reaction. And we also learn in the last lecture mechanism. So again we will review the mechanism and then we will go for evidences in support of mechanism. So what we say about E2, it is the one step reaction. One step means all the breaking of bond and formation of bond take place in the single step. So go for that. See, I will write this example here. I will write this example. So C, RC, here H, there is one more hydrogen, and this like this, and so we can write like this because our aim is to understand the mechanism. So we can write the molecule in this orientation. And now, what is the base? OET is the base. OET, ethoxide ion. So I will write here OET. So O minus ET, very strong base. So that will attack. This OET will attack at this simultaneously. This will attack. This bond become weak. Same time, this bond become weak means this bond will try to shift here. There is a formation of new bond. This bond become weak, and that will go out. In the mechanism, we can write simultaneous or concerted path. So this OET forming bond with this. So we can write like this. This bond big formation takes place. This bond become weak. There is already single bond. New bond formation takes place, and this bond become weak. So we can write like this. And here simultaneous taking place, and we write this in the mechanism, and this is called as transition state. Transition state. And you see here, in transition state, how many molecules are present? There are two molecules. This is one molecule, this is one molecule, and this is one molecule. Therefore, this is the best evidence. It is E2 reaction. There are two molecules involved in the transition state, hence it is called as E2. Now, we write the final product. So, final is what? There is a hydrogen. So, final is CH, RCH double bond, CH2. But the point is, okay, this is the theoretical explanation, but we need evidence, practical evidence, that this is the mechanism, and really this TS will form, and this is a concerted path. Concerted means the concerted path. Okay, concerted path. We have to give evidence, or we have to give evidences that E2 mechanism do not follow the mechanism of E1 reaction, neither the mechanism of E1 CV reaction. 2 पॉइंट समझो बराबर. तीनों का mechanism is separate. All three types of elimination reaction, E1, E2, E1, CV. All three reactions, they have very independent, isolated, separate mechanism. And after studying the mechanism, we can say that this reaction, elimination reaction, is the part of which class, which type. तीनों का mechanism अलग अलग है, लेकिन हमको ये साबित करना है कि E2 का mechanism ये है, it do not follow the mechanism of E1 and mechanism of E1C. Oh guys, how we can find out that? We know E1 में क्या होता है? In E1 reaction, there is a formation of carbocation, and E1CV involve the formation of carbon and ion. This do not involve the formation of any ion. It is a concerted mechanism. So we will go for the evidences in support of this. So we will go for evidences. So there are three evidences in support of this, which directly conclude that this is the mechanism of E2 elimination. See, first is what? First is the kinetic, or we can say isotopic effect. We can say isotopic effect. What is the meaning of isotopic effect? Means we should think that there should be isotope of one of the elements, and by performing that experiment, we can conclude, or we can say that this is the SE2 mechanism. Second point is what? Nature of living group. Nature of living group means nature of living group. Rate of living group means breakage of this bond which is taking place with this also is an evidence in support of this mechanism of nucleation. And the third point is what we can say about proton exchange. Proton exchange. Okay, proton exchange. So these three important points will tell us that whether this mechanism of E2 or not. And at the end, we'll get the result also. So you must remember these three important points: isotopic effect, nature of living group, and proton exchange. So we'll go for this, okay? See, and very simple. We'll go for same reaction, and it's very simple. See now. So you write all these three points. Yes. तुमको चलता ना ऐसा कि हिंदी में बोलने का? Yes, अर्जिना, हाफिज।
सर चलता सर।
It's okay सर।
चल रहा है ना? समझ में आ रहा है ना?
हाँ सर समझ में।
हम लोग तुम सो रहे नहीं, जाग रहे, देख रहे लेक्चर।
यस। अगर कुछ समझ में तो पूछेंगे सर आप।
Very good, चलिए। So let us go for first point. What is the first point? What is the first evidence? Evidences में क्या है पहला point? Yes, उसको बोलते हैं, आपके इसमें जो टाइटल दिया है काइनेटिक आइसोटोपिक इफेक्ट, तो उसको we can write like that. We can write kinetic isotopic effect. Kinetic isotopic effect. We'll go for example. वही जो example हमने दिया, we'll take same example. So it is R CH CH2 Dr and here H, and see this on the reaction base NaOEt means strong base NaOEt situation. Okay, and definitely product is what? Definitely product is this. Let us change this. ये जो हाइड्रोजन है, let us change it by one isotope, say deuterium. Okay, let us take this, say deuterium, और यहाँ पर भी deuterium ले सकते हैं, no issue. But for our understanding, we can change only one deuterium. दोनों भी change कर सकते हैं, no issue. And here write the same. and same thing. Yes. So what is the expected product? Same. R CH CH2. Okay, right. Now see. Here we have taken CH beta alpha carbon, beta carbon, alpha carbon, beta carbon. So now you see here. Here we have taken isotope of this hydrogen. Therefore, we have given the title isotope. What is the meaning of kinetic? The word kinetic means what? Kinetic means rate of reaction. Means what? ये बॉन्ड टूटने के लिए कितना टाइम लग रहा है और ये बॉन्ड टूटने के लिए कितना टाइम लग रहा है. दैट इज अ वन सेंटेंस कंसेप्ट. हाउ मच टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू ब्रेक दिस CH बॉन्ड? क्या दोनों को सेम टाइम लग रहा है? ये अलग अलग लग रहा है. अगर वो मालूम हो गया, that will be the very good support that this involve the concerted mechanism. If sorry, if they are showing the rate, different rate, so we can say from that point that whether the concerted mechanism followed or not. If they are showing the same time, same rate, we can also judge that whether this reaction is a concerted mechanism or other than concerted mechanism. So see here, then we perform these two reactions. It is found that the rate constant of this Kh upon Kd is equal to 7. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? This ratio. This ratio is what? This ratio indicates that CH bond break. CH bond breaks 7 times faster than CD bond. Remember this. This value indicates that CH bond breaks 7 times faster than CH bond. Why it is? Because the reason is CD bond is very strong. CD bond is very strong. Okay. CD bond is strong. Okay. Similarly, so if you change one more, if you change this deuterium by any other, say tritium, so this rate also increase Kh upon Kd because that also becomes stronger. So this first point, kinetic isotopic effect, shows that this rate of this bond breakage is not same. The rate of this bond breakage is not same. So what? If you go now, we have studied this bond, and let us go for a study of this bond, alpha carbon bond, and we compare these two bonds, and from that we can say about this E2 mechanism. So that's all. This is what, from this study we found that this ratio, which means the CH bond is weaker bond compared to CD bond. This is the first evidence. Next point. What is next point? Next point is nature of leaving group. So if you go for nature of leaving group, what we can say for that? What we can say for next second point, second evidence, nature of leaving group. Nature of leaving group. Okay, nature of leaving group. So be clear with this. In your syllabus, they have given only 4 groups. So let us go for that. See here. So this is what X or Y. Where Y? And here we are using H and so on. This is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. And when you perform the reaction of base, you see base NaO ET. You see oxide. So what is the product? Product will alkene, no product. Product alkene ही रहेगा, right? Yes, but what is the effect of Y? This bond in the first in the first evidence, we came to know about the CH bond, right? CH bond, bond energy, and CD bond. Okay, and we got one value that is 7 times faster rate than compared to CD bond. What about this? So Y is equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. That's it. Only 4 are there. So after performing the experiment and studying the experiment, it is found that rate is rate of rate of C alpha bond breakage. C alpha bond breakage or breaking is you see C iodine is very fast, then CBr which is very fast, then CCl which is very fast, then CF. This rate is 1, this is 7 times, this is if you go, so the values are given but values are not required, but still for our more understanding you can go for this. Okay, it is almost what is the meaning of this, sorry, this bond, this CF bond, sorry, yes, this CF bond rate is 1. Okay, and this compared to this CF bond, this rate is 7 times faster. This, if you go for CBr, it is almost say 4,000 times faster. Very fast compared to this. Okay, so you can see in your book also, page number 5.5, they have given uh, 4,000. Okay, 42,000 actually. Say 4,200 means 4,200. And what about CI bond? It is almost 37,000 faster. So you see, means this CI bond breaks how much if you compare two reactions which containing iodine and alpha carbon and fluorine and alpha carbon. So we cannot compare. Very fast, 37,000 faster than this. So this alpha carbon and leaving group bond also decide the rate of E2 mechanism. Rate of E2 mechanism. So these two evidences we have with us. Okay. Now third evidence is what? Third evidence is about proton exchange, and the final third evidence will clear your total doubt whether E2 follows the concerted or not. So see, what is the third one? Proton exchange. We will go for this proton exchange. Proton exchange. Let us go for the same thing. See, we have taken like this, okay, and here H,
Yes, sir.
and if you add NaOET, sodium methoxide,
Sir.
yes, 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 okay, तो दिखाई दे रहा है? It's visible to you all now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we'll finish this because 2 मिनट बाकी है. Okay. See now, क्योंकि वीडियो पूरा बन जाएगा, आप लोग देख सकते हैं बाद में. तो क्या होगा? See, I can write, suppose if E2 is following the E1 CV mechanism, if E2 follow E1 CV mechanism, if E2 follows E1 CV mechanism, so what is the first step? Abstraction of protons, and there is a formation of like this or not? Yes. इसको Br कर दीजिए, no issue. इसको Br कर दीजिए. So conjugate base will form. कब? If E2 follow this mechanism. लेकिन we know E2 do not follow this mechanism. We want to prove that. So if E2 follow E1 mechanism, this is the conjugate base. So what is the second step? What is the second step? Second step is this base, conjugate base, would shift its negative part to this, negatives at this side, and leaving group will leave like this, and we can get like this. This is the general idea. If it is following E1 CV mechanism, this is formed. Okay, but if we are using deuterated solvent, if we are using ethanol which is deuterated, so this carbon anion will abstract this proton from the solvent and some amount will be like this. This will form, but some amount will be like this, right? थोड़ा सा अमाउंट ड्यूटेरियम मिलेगा सॉल्यूशन से, वो ये भी फॉर्म होगा, ये भी फॉर्म होगा. कब? इफ E2 follow this mechanism, but this do not observe. This deuterated compound, this do not form. This do not form, which means E2 do not follow even CP mechanism. Clear? If E2 would have followed it, there must be the formation of this deuterated. That's called a proton exchange. Means this proton is removed and deuterium is exchanged. Deuterium should have taken the place of H, लेकिन वैसा नहीं होता है. This third evidence strongly support that even E2 mechanism neither follow E1 mechanism, neither follow nor E2 even CV mechanism. इसका सेपरेट मैकेनिज्म होता है और वो मैकेनिज्म अपना क्या होता है, कंसिडर्ड मैकेनिज्म होता है. So hope you understand this. Okay, so